Hi, this video is about how to upload our own tile texture that's gonna appear under Customized Tiling module, My Library, or here when you replace tile under My Library. Okay, so you have to go into the Business Center, under Product, My Customized Tile. Click Publish. Okay, here you browse for the tile image. Okay, open. Then fill up the necessary info. Okay, let's say testing. The size, brand, and series. Then select the material properties. Then submit. Okay, so let's go back to 3D and check My Library. If your tile doesn't appear here, no worries, just refresh the browser. Okay, but make sure to save your file first before you refresh. So because I didn't plan to save the file, so I just create a new one and go to tile. Okay, so this is the new uploaded tile image. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching.